Oh my God.
It's so nice. Wow.
Wow. Now you're in a part of your...
Look at the size of this one. Wow.
The largest, it says largest herb garden.
This is the largest herb garden in the southeastern United States. Wow.
You might see silly. Okay. Classic food. Sorry for this.
Isn't this cool?
Yeah.
Look at this place. Wow.
I was waiting for that.
Yeah, I don't know how long it takes, but...
So cool. How?
Yeah, I'm not sure where the water's coming from.
Yeah, there's it's like this is the bamboo. They're like empty.
Does it go up the bamboo?
Oh, careful.
I don't know, like it can't be just from the rain.
Maybe it's a trap. Like, you know, there is a faucet.
Look.
Cool.
So just like everything on our road trip, even the cart's fully loaded. Look at this.
Thank you everyone who give us this.
Yeah, thank you guys.
It's worth it.
That cart comes from our family. That was really nice of y'all. I'm working on my southern here. The little waterfall. Oh, look at this. Hey bud. Can I take your video? I'll get you a close-up. What's happening?
Asparagus fern. Huh? Those tiny lizards are everywhere.
Oh, look at all the cactus. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a gave. This is I think this is what they make tequila out of.
Really?
Yeah. What was that, prickly pear? Oh yeah, I know that one. There's prickly pear back there. Perry's a gave. All kinds. Wow.
I think there's a girl.
And I heard karaoke. Now we're on our way. You can't stop the Filipinos from the karaoke.
It says Lake Kanapaha.
Oh.
Kanapaha Botanical Garden takes its name. Ooh, there's alligator.
Yes. To the lake.
Oh.
No.
Nowhere, no. Careful, stop. Stop. There. There.
Chinese fountain palms from China, Japan, and Taiwan.
Wow.
This is a live oak. Look how big these trees are. And they just keep going. I've been hoping to find one of those. That's cool. The water garden? You want to go in there? Checking out the water garden. Aww. That's nice. I love the bamboo. Aw, it's coming over to see us. Oh, they're all coming now.
It's wet. Wow, they look like in the wall.
Big.
Yeah.
Look, they're all coming. They think they're gonna get some food. Oh, look at these ones.
They know the food. Oh my gosh, look at those.
We don't have any food, guys. Holy.
They're everywhere now. Wow, they're big.
Those are big ones. I wonder how old they are. There's so many now.
Yeah, they're colorful too. Look at that.
They like the water.
And they live the food.
Watch, they think it's food. She's tricking you.
Sorry. It's Anna's tricker.
Oh, there's some more coming. Full steam ahead.
Wow.
Doo doo, doo doo, doo doo, doo doo, doo doo. It's making a wake. It's so fast.
Cool.
She's just tricking you guys.
Sorry.
Enjoying the rest of the gang. Traveling with Anya at what, 10 weeks old? She makes it pretty easy for us. Look who just woke up. Oh, are you gonna suck on your thumb?
She's aggressive a bit.
She always wakes up and she's like, where the heck am I today? Where am I now? She never knows. It's always a mystery. There, we stopped at the butterfly garden for a picnic. It's like super nice. And there's like oranges and calamansi and bananas everywhere and butterflies. So it was a good time. This little one just woke up and she's a little hungry too. And the sun came out. It's a beautiful park. I think she was good for about, what time is it? 4? 2.5 hours. She slept. Now it's lunchtime. The big kids are gonna play.
I thought boys go first.
Okay, let me see. Gotta think about this. Think about this. Pretty intense game going on right now.
Yeah, you can go any direction. I got her on the run. I got her on the run, Anya. Mama's stalling. What you thinking, Mama? What's the plan? Oh, moving the king.
Ah, look at, I think this is checkmate. What do you think? If she moves there, horse. Moves there, check. I think that's checkmate, babe. Good job, you did well.
Thank you.
We did good. We got, it's almost 5 o'clock. We got here just after 2. So we had 3 hours with no crying. We're on our way back. That was another beautiful day in Gainesville. You better now?
Summer.
We're inside. It's a little warm. We're making up some milk.
Wait, done.
All right, good job, baby. You ready to go? There. Disaster aborted. Yeah, disaster aborted. There, you got your milk.
It was awesome. Awesome day.
Say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you po.
Now we're going to go back. And go back to the tiny home. Well, that park was awesome. It's called Kanapaha, I believe. But we're just leaving now. We beat the rain. But highly recommended again in Gainesville. There's the girls. And look at this giant bamboo right before you walk in. Yeah, this town was awesome. But that's it for us. We are now going to be making our way down to Hillsborough River State Park. It's only 2 hours away. But if you're in Gainesville, I would definitely check out the museum, the art gallery, and this park. Hey, Mama.
Hello.
What's cooking?
Cook for food for tomorrow.
We got a chicken salad for tomorrow. We got a nice soup cooking up over there, it looks like. Thanks, babe. We just had an amazing day. at the Botanical Gardens. That place was incredible. If you ever have a chance to go check it out, we really recommend it. Now we're just doing some movies, preparing for our big day of travel tomorrow. Big 2 hours. That's the smallest day yet. Well, if you enjoyed hanging out with us again today in Gainesville, follow along because we're hitting the road in our next video down to Zephyr Hills, where we're going to hang out with our buddy Jim, snorkel with some manatees. Yeah, that was phenomenal. Wait till you see that. We got really good underwater footage too. And yeah, we're going to try a little fishing and probably a whole bunch of great home-cooked meals. Okay, thanks again. Follow along, and we'll see you next time.